Hey guys, what's going on? Michelle Kind here, and in today's video I want to share with you 3 tips on why you should be using YouTube in your online marketing efforts. So if you're new to my channel, I appreciate you being here. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up at the end, subscribe to my channel, and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you know when I post my next video. But tip number 1 is know that YouTube is a search engine traffic. So what do I mean by that? You will be able to collect more targeted prospects because people will be searching you out. They'll go to they'll go to Google. They'll put in the keyword for whatever it is that they're looking for. I know that's what I do. If I'm looking for something, I want help for something, I usually, go to Google and, say, help me find this, or, what is the answer to that? And more often than not, they're going to direct me over to YouTube. I'll find a video, I'll check it out. I'll love what the person has shared with me, and then chances are I'll subscribe to that channel, and that person now has me as a follower. I like their stuff, and so that's really the goal in mind. Okay, tip number 2 is to put yourself out there and create an influence. Start building rapport. People will do business with people they know, like, and trust. We know that in business, so by you doing videos, people will get to see you, they'll get to hear you, they'll get to know you and like you, and whatever it is that you're promoting, your offer or your business opportunity, maybe they'll do business with you because they see what you're all about. So you get the opportunity to build rapport by doing videos on YouTube. Tip number 3 is to start collecting leads, right? You're starting now to have targeted, prospects. Leads will start coming into your funnel, because really the goal in mind is to put your offer or your opportunity or whatever it is that you're promoting in the video. So what you're doing is you're collecting people that will opt in, and then you're starting to build that targeted list. So those are the people that you want because they know what you're all about. They'll be loyal followers, they'll be loyal customers, business builders, what have you. So really those 3 tips is to, put yourself out there so that you can be searched out. Number 2 is to be able to, build rapport and get people to know, like, and trust you. And number 3 is to start collecting those people and get more leads so that you can generate more sales. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, once again, give me a thumbs up. Be sure to follow me, here on YouTube. And if you'd like to know more about me or what I can do to best serve you outside of YouTube, you can also find me on Facebook. Send me a friend request and let me know that you saw me here on YouTube. I would love to connect and see how I can serve you in any way. Thanks for watching.